Hello everyone, this is Gunjan Mishra of Thapar Institute of Engineering and Technology presenting Government of India project having Pan-India presence conducted at Tata Consultancy Services, Noida under the guidance of Ms. Bandana Sinha, Supervisor in TCS and Mr. Rohit Bharadwaj, Project Training Head in TCS. TCS is a leading global IT services, consulting and business solution organization. It was being founded in 1968 by a division of Tata Sons Limited. The chairperson of TCS is N. Chandrasekaran and CEO and MD is Rajesh Gopinathan. The various businesses being served by TCS is banking, manufacturing, government, media and entertainment, insurance, telecom and many more. The TCS is slated to launch this ambitious project of Government of India as a part of its efforts to increase the tax collection and second, to ensure the compliance of tax laws. The existing system includes the manual labor as well as government personnel to indulge and provide the necessary services for private as well as public usage. This requires much workspace as well as effort. That is why TCS has taken this initiative to automate the entire operation for the ease of use and unambiguity. What is the scope and utility of this project? First, it's a multi-user application being developed and used by the government clients. Second, to digitize the key processes within the Income Tax Department of India. Third, to fully automate the working of IT department to increase the efficiency and productivity of its staff in serving the needs and requirements of the taxpayers. There are 48 plus modules in total under this project, out of which some of them are shown in the screen. Rolled out ones are PAN, SSO, TAN, ITR processing, digital signature, etc. And under implementation are assessment, remaining part, give effect module, ITR processing, remaining part, PAN, remaining part, rectification, MIS, that is Management Information System, and so on. The architecture of this project can be well illustrated by this diagram, in which the customer is a government client having the login credentials including his username, password as well as a RSA token authentication, which is a unique PIN generated, and can enter into the system and do the operations like search details of the customer, update, delete operation as well as can validate checks on the data being modified. The techniques and tools used in this project for development: Java, supporting frameworks like Struts and Hibernate. Struts is an elegant and extensible framework for creating Java web applications, and Hibernate is a high-performance object query service used in integration with the Struts. For database, we have used Oracle 11g as well as PL SQL. For screen utilities, we have used Visual Basic for application, that is VBA, as a programming language. Enterprise App Maker, yes, this is an internal TCS tool for modeling, supporting UML as well as UI designing in accordation with object-oriented specification for server-side programming. Also, we have used OBI, that is Oracle Business Intelligence tool, to produce enterprise reports and dashboards. Jenkins to keep the track of all the bugs within a file. Now, the development of functionality by the software development lifecycle process in EAM carried under the following 6 steps. Basically, first, application development environment. Under this, a workspace is defined, users are created and allocated to the workspace to carry out the development activities. Second, component modeling. Under this, different class along with the attributes are defined and operations are modeled as well. Then we move on to validation using the designer role. After that, code generation, that is code templates are defined from the component model and business logics are written. After that, we do build user workspace and synchronize user workspace. Then comes the 5th step, GUI modeling, under which GUI screens are created and linked to the server-side programming. Last one is deployment and testing. Under this, we test the component for end-to-end functionality. These are some snapshots. First, component modeling. Then we move to class to define class attributes and operations using an EAM window. Third, we do the code generation and write the business logics. Then we move on to creating GUI option list. These are some screens, that is real screens, in which I worked under the ITR processing module, that is income tax return processing module, out of which first is return receipt registry, that is RRR stream, and second one is enter return details, in which the bank details are being entered like the interbank account number, IFSC code and type of account. Now, the data flow diagram. DFD level 0 of this project can be well illustrated with this diagram, wherein customer is a government client, as I discussed previously, where having the UID and it can enter into the system and can handle the main functions, that is search for the unique identification number as well as to track the pendency and status of the work according to the role of the user. Now, the key highlights of this application being designed for the government clients includes various services, including first, approval rejection of applications; second, managing applet orders; third, searching and updating the information of the customer details; fourth, digitization of paper returns, maintaining dashboards, and generation of intimation letters; and most importantly, processing of income tax returns. This project semester at Tata Consultancy Services was very helpful for me, as it provided a platform to work in industry and helped me attain an understanding of professional responsibility and team synchronization to produce the desired result. Thank you.